Welcome to Print My Tee, your ultimate destination for customized t-shirts and apparel. At Print My Tee, we believe that every team, business, and event deserves to stand out with personalized style. Whether you're looking to unite your team with custom jerseys, promote your business with branded apparel, or commemorate a special event with unique t-shirts, we've got you covered. Our platform is designed to empower you to unleash your creativity and bring your vision to life. So right now, as you can see, we are on the landing page of Print My Tee, and here let's just see the process how you can sign up. On the top right side of your screen, you can see this little sign up option. Click on that. By the way, the sign-in process is one-time passcode less, so you don't need to search around your house for your phone or email addresses anymore. Once you click on the sign up option, you will be directed towards your login screen, and from here you can simply select register since we are a new user. Here, please enter your email address and your password respectively. Once you do, just simply check this I'm not a robot option and fill this quick captcha. And now click on register option, and after a couple of seconds you will be directed towards your dashboard. Now let's just discuss the features that are available on the top red bar. You can see first of all we have our shop products, and when we drop down this you have multiple different options as well, like for example no minimum quantity, so you do not need to match a criteria to order the shirts. Like for example, if you modify a shirt and the minimum amount that you can order is 6 or something like that. After that you have your formal shirts, your round neck t-shirts, and you can see another cascading menu just opens up which gives you even more options to choose from. Similarly, you have your collar necks, hoodies, and all products. After that we have our design studio where you can customize your shirt from scratch, and after that you have your templates, services, and my account which you are currently on. So let's just head over to our shop product section, and here you will be able to see not hundreds but thousands of different clothing designs to choose from. On the left side of your screen you can see your filter by price option and a slider which could be utilized to adjust the pricing. Below that we have our product categories, like for example formal shirts, brands, US Polo, collar neck, and so on and so forth. So all in all, these have all type of categories available. Let's just head over to our design studio and see how we can design a totally customizable shirt. Click on design studio, and now you can see a section is now opened up where you can first select a shirt to get started with. Let's just select the product from here, and once you do, you can see we have our preview panel where we can see the designed shirt. So on the left side of your screen you can see some information related to your shirt, like for example the pricing, and if you want to change the product, and the description as well. So you can see when you click on more, you will be able to see all the description related to that particular product. Below that you can see the type of printing that is available for that particular product. For this we have our screen printing and embroidery. Below that you can see we have our quantity. So we have our sizes, like for example small, medium, large, XL, and double XL. So it is saying that the minimum quantity that could be purchased is 6, so let's just select 6 in here, and once we do you can see we are good to go. So after products we have our clip arts, and these are basically small arts that could be pre-designed. So you can see the website offers a variety of them, so you can customize them as well. You simply need to drag and drop it onto your shirt. So you can see it is placed on our shirt, and we can resize it as well, or maybe rotate it, even make a copy. After clip arts you have this images section where you can upload your own image. Like for example, if I want to upload a PNG, I can do that as well. And finally we have our text. So if you want to include some text as well, you can simply drag and drop it onto the design and it will be added. So you can see it is added. You can change the color as well. From the top right side of your screen you can see fill options and choose something that looks good. You can also set the transparency level and stroke width and stroke color. If you want to share your designs with your friends, you can do that using this share option. On the top right side of your screen you can see we have this option of final pricing, and right after that we have our my cart section. You can use this option to add it to cart. When you click on that you can see it is saying your cart is updated, and if you head over to your checkout section It will take a couple of seconds to load up, and now you can see we are on the checkout section. If everything looks good to you, you can simply click on this proceed to checkout, and now it will be directed towards our billing section. And that's where you can fill in all of these details and place your order successfully. And even after that, if you have any type of questions or queries, you can head over to the bottom left side of your screen where you can see this live chat option, and our customer support will be available 24/7, helping you throughout the entire website and fulfilling your every type of requirements and questions. So you can see, you can simply click on start chat option and it will be directed towards your WhatsApp. So that's a pretty handy feature as well. And with that being said, I really hope you understood the concept of our website and enjoyed the video. Don't forget to share it with your friends. Thanks so much for watching.